G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? Sorry about the flickering, but with these down lights, yeah, they're flickering, but there's no other light, so I tried it without the lights on, but it's too dark. Right, yesterday I was doing a floor of a bathroom and the glue is drying nicely. I'm at another bathroom now because I'm working two at once. I screeded this a couple of weeks ago and still got a sore leg from my back. Anyway, yeah, I had a couple of weeks off. I'm still not right, but you get that? The mail must get through, people. Life goes on. No, Jesus, I'm sick of watching the telly and sitting on the couch. I've got to just grunt through it. Now, I always, with my showers, I always cut them shorter on purpose. Some people, and you guys can decide whether you want to go from the wall to your aluminium water stop or do it like I do. And I reckon it's way more professional to have your outsides sloping down, and it slopes from that width up here to nothing. Same here, same width up here to nothing, and the center all falls nice and flat. Then it's a nice flat surface for the glass shower screen to sit on. You're walking through your door, bloody beautiful. Anyway, I'm just preparing this now. I'll go around with my polyurethane around the bottom, and then I'll throw down my primer on this floor. I did the walls when I screeded this 2 weeks ago. I'll just set my primer on the floor now once I've done my polyurethane around the bottom, and we're laughing. I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel. Help it grow, please. Love you. Hey yo! So what I've done is just gone around my bottom, because I need to slap this down and then it'll dry. I'll turn my fan on, it'll dry in 5 minutes, and then I can carry on doing my polyurethane and we're humming. But yeah, I need to do this floor, like nothing sticks. This is a concrete floor. Waterproofing does not stick to dust. Like, I harp on about it all the time, and I don't see it very often. You guys, DIYs. Seal your walls and floors, whatever you do. Whether it's waterproofing, glue, in the bathroom where it's screeded, I never do a steel float finish. I always do a wooden float or fiberglass float finish. My glue and waterproof stick to it a lot better. Now look at that, folks. Yibbity 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 yibbity. Doesn't take much. I don't know if you've ever seen it, waterproof, peeling up off the floor or off the walls. Scary. A lot of people don't do it. Hey, and I was one of them. I've been doing this shit for 35 years and this sort of thing wasn't in. Years ago. But I still see it not done. God, and how simple. How easy and cool is that? I'll just put on my fan now, 5 minutes. I'll jack up the stuff that I need next, and by 5 minutes it'll be dry. I'll be walking on it, then I can zap some more polyurethane in and then start my first coat. Pour what you got back into your container, throw that over there. I buy these rollers like 6 or 12 at a time. They don't cost much. I just throw the roller out, or the fluffy part, put a new one on. See you soon, people.